This is lot U141, a 1970 Corvette GT Shark custom coupe with a big block, built by Rosen. It's a 4-speed car, the only example known to exist. Rosen, of course, was Motion Performance. Odometer reached 38,282 miles. The paint is pure white / gold over black interior. And it's got a lot of highlights. I'm going to try to capture that for you guys. Wow, not my style, but back here looks like a coffin. But it is cool and it is unique. Let's look under the hood. Very clean, very nice. Big block, 427. Wow. Certainly unique. It's got AC and everything. It'll be interesting to see how much it fetches at the auction. Not really a fan of these lights, but it is a custom.